morning. Welcome to the E3 Weekly Market Report. I'm Pat McClatchy. It's the 27th of August. The exports we'll be reviewing in just a minute. We're going to go over our exports, then we'll go over recent price action in ag markets, and then possibly go over some forecasts looking out. Looking right now at the report that was just released, the cotton total sales, 61,100 running bales. That's for 2015, 2016. Colombia took 17,400. Mexico took 13,700. Costa Rica took 7,800. Small cancellations. And 2016, 2017, 20,500 sales. Looking at the reaction of the market, cotton was up 34 at the time, just a minute before this came out. Now cotton is up 25. Let's go next to soybeans. The soybean number is actually a negative number. A negative number or a cancellation of 131,600. That's down noticeably from the previous week and from the 4-week average. The Netherlands is number one here as a taker of beans at 65,600. Indonesia took 22,000 metric tons. Taiwan took 8,800. China canceled 120,000 metric tons. And there were some smaller cancellations after that. But a negative number in soybeans. The soybean market was up 12 when this number came out. And right now soybeans are actually still in that area. No, sort of surprising, up 14. Let me look further at that. Let's go back and look at any other news that might have come out. Oh, there it is. Net sales of 2015-2016 were 1,457,400 metric tons. China took 887,500 of that. So it appears that cancellation was simply a rolling of beans out into the new crop. So that explains why we're right now at 14. Looking at corn, another cancellation, so we assume the same thing is happening, rolling forward. Net sales reductions of 131,800 for 2014-2015. We've got Japan taking 58,700, Mexico taking 47,000, and Panama taking 24,200. It just has cancellations for unknown destinations, 246,400. And there were other smaller cancellations. Looking at 2015-2016, we see a large number there as that's been rolled forward, 986,600 metric tons. And that was for Mexico taking 387,600, unknown destinations 343,800. Those were the two biggest takers there. Corn market was up 1.5 just before the number came out, and right now the corn market's up 1.5. Going to wheat now, we have a wheat number of 529,100 metric tons. That's up 68% from the previous week, but down 7% from the 4-week average. Nigeria took 95,500, Japan took 83,300, and South Korea took 75,100. Small cancellations, and that's it. The wheat market was unchanged at the time this came out. Right now the wheat market is up 0.5, so not much reaction there. So far, just rolling forward of soybeans and corn, but those were large numbers, especially in the beans. Looking at the crop progress report that came out Monday, and there weren't a lot of changes. The bean report, good to excellent from the previous week to the number that came out Monday, was unchanged. Corn crop actually improved a small amount, went from 76% good to excellent up to 77%. We did see the cotton crop deteriorate some, It was 53% good to excellent. Previous week was 55%. Let's look at these markets and we'll look at recent history, recent price history in markets, and then give some ideas what could happen based on what some analysts are saying. The cotton market had a sell-off, a recent sell-off of 474 points from August the 21st to August the 26th. That market had gotten to 67 cents and then sold off to 62.26. That was made 2 days ago. The low was. We're bouncing now. Market right now is trading in the area of 62.70. As far as future forecast goes, could see a bounce in this market over the coming days, but the thought is we could see this market moving down into harvest time somewhere in the last half of November, and could see this market returning back toward this, could see it moving down toward the 60 level. November soybeans. November soybeans have had a $1.41 sell-off over a 10-day period. The high of $9.96.5 was made on August the 10th. The low of $8.55 was made on August the 24th. That's a $1.41 sell-off. Now the market's trading at $8.76. The forecast there is for this market to continue to feel pressure and could move down toward over the next month into the area possibly as low as $8.20. December corn right now is trading at $3.75. On August the 10th, it was trading at $4.02. It sold off over a 2-day period to $3.57.5. That's a 44.5-cent drop over 2 days. Right now it's trading, as I said, at $3.75. Forecast there. Same as beans. Could possibly see over the next month this market moving lower. And there's some thought it could get as low as $3.40. December wheat market trading right now at $4.95. On August the 10th, it was trading at $5.33.25. It sold off over a 2-day period and got down, sold off 45 cents, got as low as $4.88.25. And looking at the forecast there, moving in sympathy with corn and soybeans and the possible continued downtrend in those markets, and that indicates the market could get as low as $4.50. This is not just about the size of the crop. We've seen in recent weeks, it's also about global financial developments, what's going on in China, what's going on around the world. Currency values all certainly affect what commodities do. So that looks like it could continue to provide pressure for the market. So that's it for today for the E3 Weekly Report. Hope you'll join us later this afternoon at 1:20 for our afternoon update. Thanks for being with us, and we hope you have a good day.